For me, in high school, it was porn addiction. It wasn't just a bad habit. It was a dark cloud hanging over my entire life. That dark secret ate away at my confidence, stole my focus, and left me feeling like a shell of myself. Imagine this: ditching out on family time to sneak a peek at something that made me feel like crap afterwards. Couldn't muster the courage to talk to girls, let alone hold a decent conversation. My grades were slipping, and my self-esteem was in the gutter. I knew I had to break free, but where to even start? Then, one day, I broke free. No therapists, no fancy retreats, just a raw decision to change. I stumbled across this concept called semen retention. Now, I'll admit it sounded a little out there at first, but I was desperate for a change, so I decided to give it a shot. Let me tell you, those first few days were brutal. Relapses were frequent. The urges seemed relentless. But then, something incredible happened. The constant urges started to lessen, and a sense of clarity washed over me. I started filling my time with things that actually mattered. Hitting the gym, diving into hobbies, reconnected with friends and my family. My days weren't consumed by a screen anymore, and I had this newfound energy pulsing through me. The next step? Deleting all the triggers. Unfollowed those perfectly curated accounts on social media. Blocked the websites that used to tempt me. Social media can be a breeding ground for negativity and manipulation. Gotta create some boundaries, my friend. Listen, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. This journey wasn't a walk in the park. There were moments of doubt, late-night cravings that threatened to pull me back in. But the change it brought? Brother, it was like a phoenix rising from the ashes. My confidence skyrocketed, replacing the self-loathing with a newfound sense of self-worth. I even created this alter ego, Mr. I Am the Hero. The guy who could confidently approach anyone. The guy who could hold conversations with girls, who wasn't a prisoner of his desires. It might sound cheesy, but it was a powerful reminder of the transformation I was going through. Here's the real message I want you to take away, brothers. You have the power to break free from whatever holds you back. It's about becoming disgusted by those things that keep you down. That toxic porn, those manipulative social media feeds. They're not your friends. They are the villains in your story. You deserve better than that, my friend. You deserve to be a king, not a slave to your impulses. This journey requires accountability, brother. Look yourself in the mirror and decide. Decide right now in this very moment that you're done with this cycle. Delete those apps, block those websites, and most importantly, resist the urge. Fill your days with activities that empower you. It's not going to be easy, but trust me, you are stronger than you think. You are capable of incredible things. Don't let addiction steal your shine. Remember, there's a way out of that dark place, a path to freedom, a path to a life filled with confidence and purpose. It might be tough, might be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. The self-respect you gain on the other side is priceless. Trust me, the feeling of being in control, of being the master of your own destiny, is worth every ounce of effort. So, hit that comment section below. Share your story, your struggles, your victories. Let's build a community of support, a brotherhood of kings who are free from the chains of addiction and stepping into the best versions of ourselves. Subscribe for more real talk, and remember, you are not alone. Peace out.